Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to embed the Twipla tracking code on your Wix website. This helps track visitor behavior, analyze traffic, and improve your website's performance. Let's get started. Open a new browser window. Next, find the tracking code for Twipla. As you can see, we have a Twipla tracking code here from an email. We just need to look it up. Once we have the code, copy it. Now, on your Wix website, go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down until you see the Custom Code section. Make sure you already have an upgraded plan because adding custom code requires an upgraded plan. Once that's confirmed, click the New tool. Add your custom code and paste the code into this section. The code is now on your Wix website. We can now use Twipla tracking on the Wix website by placing the code here. And that's how we embed the Twipla tracking code on Wix. With this simple setup, we can start monitoring website activity and gain valuable insights.